Hello students, welcome all of you to the online digital class. Today I am going to teach about a new topic from the text version which is newly included in class 10 syllabus. Okay. The name of the topic is At the High School. At the High School, which is written by M.K. Gandhi. Here I want to describe about some important points like about the topic, meaning of biography and autobiography, about the author, important points of para 1, summary of para 1 in Odia. So at first I want to discuss about the topic. About the topic. It is an autobiography of M.K. Gandhi. Okay. So first I want to write here, it is an autobiography. Because here he describes about his experience of his high school days when he was studying in Rajkot High School, Gujarat. Okay. Then in second point we can say that the topic at the high school is extracted from his book My Experiments with Truth. So you can write here, it is extracted from My Experiments with Truth. Then here question arises, what is biography and what is autobiography? Okay. Look at here. A biography is the life story of a person written by someone else, and an autobiography is the life story of a person written by that person himself. Okay. So a biography is the life story of a person which is written by someone else, and an autobiography is the life story of a person which is written by that person himself. So as this topic is written by M.K. Gandhi by himself, so it is called as an autobiography. Okay, which is extracted from the book, from his book, that is My Experiments with Truth. Okay. Now I want to discuss about the author. The name of the author is M.K. Gandhi, whose full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, which is in the state of Gujarat, and died on 30th January 1948, whose martyrdom is in Rajghat, New Delhi, and his cause of death is firearm. Nathuram Godse is his assassinate who shoot Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, and the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti and his death day is celebrated as Martyrs Day. Okay, look at here. M.K. Gandhi was known as India's greatest leader, or we can also say that a good freedom fighter. A good freedom fighter. A successful leader of India, father of the nation and the tallest leader of the world. Here you can see the non-violence. One word I am writing here. Non-violence help him to unite all the people of India so that we can get free from the British rule. And now we became free and we are freely moving each and every corner of the world. Okay, so we call them father of the nation, and in short we say Bapuji. Bapuji. Okay, and if we say about his education, he took his early education in Rajkot English High School, Rajkot, that is in Gujarat, which changed into Rajkot High School in later, and then after independence this name of the school again changed into Mohandas Gandhi High School. When he was studying at the high school, he was good at English, fair in arithmetic, weak in geography, and bad in handwriting. So from this we can able to know that he was not so brilliant student at the time of reading, okay, or at the time of, or when he was studying at the high school time in Rajkot High School, that is in Gujarat. If I say about his important books which he have written, he has written in many books, but 3 important books are given in your book. These are My Experiment with Truth, second one is Hind Swaraj, and third one is Indian Home Rule. Okay, these are important books which is written by him, and these are given in your book. So try to remember these books and look at here, My Experiments with Truth. From this, the today's topic, that is at the high school, is extracted from. Okay, so remember about it. Question arises that at the high school is extracted from which book? The answer is My Experiments with Truth. Okay. Important points of para 1 with its explanation. Now look at your book at page number 29 and look at para 1. I was not regarded as a fool at the high school. I always enjoyed the affection of my teachers. Certificates of progress and character used to be sent to the parents every year. I never had a bad certificate. In fact, I even won prizes after I passed out of the 2nd standard. In the 5th and 6th, I obtained scholarship of rupees 4 and 10 respectively, an achievement for which I have to thank good luck more than my merit. So here the important points are, he always enjoyed the affection of his teachers. Dear students, M.K. Gandhi was a good student. He loved and respected his teachers. He also behaved goodly. So he enjoyed the affection of his teachers. Okay. Second point is, he never had a bad certificate. Though every year the certificate of progress and character used to be sent to the parents, as you are getting the same from your school every year. But he never had a bad certificate during his school career. Okay. Then he won prizes after first out of second standard. Which standard? Second standard. He was not an intelligent student, but he won prizes due to blessings of his elders, teachers. Okay. In the 5th and 6th standard, he obtained scholarship of rupees how much? 4 and 10 respectively. When he won prizes, he became astonished and gave thanks to his good luck more than his merit. Summary of para 1 in Odia. पिलामाने प्रथम पाराग्राफ रे महात्मा गांधी वर्णना करछंती जे से उच्च विद्यालय रे पढुथिबा बेले केबे भी निर्बोध बा पक्का बोली विवेचित हेउनथिले। समस्त शिक्षक भल पाउथिले, तेणु से सदासर्वदा शिक्षक मानक श्रद्धा को उपभोग करुथिले। विद्यालय प्रति वर्ष प्रगतिपत्र और चरित्र प्रमाणपत्र गुड़िक पितामाता निकट प्रेरण करा जाउथिला। पढ़ा समय तांकर केबे भी खराब प्रमाणपत्र नथिला। से द्वितीय श्रेणी पास करिबा परे अर्थात पंचम और षष्ठ श्रेणी रे वृत्ति माध्यम रे यथाक्रमे 4 टंका और 10 टंका पाइथिले। सेथिपई से सर्वदा तांकर सौभाग्य को धन्यवाद देउथिले। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सो व्हाट डिड वी लर्न फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट para? We learned that a medium standard student can also get success in his life. Here I want to say one thing, that everything is easy when we are crazy and nothing is easy when we are lazy. Okay, so my dear students, don't be lazy. Okay, be crazy to do or to work hard more and more, to practice more and more, and behave goodly with your elders and teachers so that you can get success in your life. So my dear students, I hope you must understand about the topic or about the first para of the topic. In my next class, I am going to discuss about the second para. That's all. Thank you.